So hello everyone. So this video is regarding the one of the basic example we are going to take. I'm going to take an example of a duster, the blackboard duster. So which we are going to draw with the help of this extrude option, and in the end we are going to apply some material, so different materials. So we will get a final output. Let's start with let me take it, this one. So let me draw the one of the side view. Okay. Something like this. Now on the another end, I will need to make it a symmetric. Okay. This is, we have a complete one. It is, you can make it a symmetric, or if it is not work, that is fine also. Just click on finish the sketch. Okay, now we have this. Let's apply the extrude option, make it symmetric, and I will apply some thickness. Okay, this thickness or maybe little more. Yeah, I think 20 or maybe more than 20. I can make it 25 as a thickness and click on OK. So we have this outer body as an solid. Okay, the outer body. Now here we can draw a kind of simple little shell or something where my duster material or fabric will be fixed over there. Can I create another sketch? Take a rectangle as an sketch. Now apply the fillet. So here I can use, because I need to define some space for the material for the some fabric. So let's take it a thin extrude over there, and does not require much more thickness. So it will be around 5 mm will work, and 1 mm thickness is also fine. So now we have some shell over there. So which is, we have to grab something. You should we have some the material which will be start from there. Have some grabbing over there. Okay. If you want to increase the thickness, so that we can do, go to the edit feature, specify the wall thickness up to 2.5. Let's take it as 2.5. Okay. Now, after that, let's assume I need to make the bottom of the duster part, which is a kind of a fabric. So let me take another one to the sketch, draw like this, finish the sketch. Now I can use the extrude option and specify some little thickness like this. But here you can see that I want to apply some different material for the top and the bottom. So here I can use the join, but join as a new component. I can consider this as a new component. Okay. So this is we have done. But this it still look like a very straightforward, very not look nice. So can I do with making these edges little kind of a curve shape? So it will be very helpful. So let's take it and make a radius of 2 will work. Okay. Can make it 3. Yeah, 3 look nice. Click on OK. I can do the same thing over the another end as well. Just select the edges, and then we have apply the radius. Radius will be 3. Let's make it 3. Okay. Now, yeah. Also in the nowadays, we are using some whiteboard dusters, so having some space for the marker as well at the top. Can we create a space for the marker also? So can I do something like this? Create a sketch, select this top surface, and the marker shape will be, let's take an example. Let's take it at of 25. Finish the sketch. Now I will extrude that, extrude this sketch in symmetric, and let's make it up to the end, how much it will be passed through there, and the cut option will be the end. I want to cut that. So here we have some space for the marker as well. Okay, it look nice now. Yeah. So the same thing I can do. So this is we have now. Can I also make it these edge also little curve? Can I use the same? Can I make it? Okay. Now duster one. Just make it. Can I make it three? Yeah, it will work. So you can see that there is some gap over there. So I can also make this one also as a radius 3. How I can do that? It is hard to select that or something. So we have an option to see our product in a multiple options or multiple ways. So can I go to the below that you have an option for the graphic setting in which you have to go to the visual style. Now we have an option for the wireframe. In the wireframe, now you can see that all the lines are visible to me. Okay, these edge, you can see that now this edge is visible to me. Can I directly select that? Yes, I can select that this one, this, go to this, and go to this one. Just give the dimension. Again, I need to just make it very collinear with that. So make it 3. Now again, I will move to the visual graphics to the shaded with visible edge. Now we can say that, okay, this is fine. Now, last fillet, more fillet I can apply at the bottom. Now you can see that when I select on the one edge, it is will be a continuous edge I selecting over there. So it will work like it automatically detect it's a chain or something. So now let me give some more value. Let's take it 5. Okay, yeah, 5 will work and okay. I think it is look good now. So now it's time to specify the material. So what the material can we apply? So let's start go to the modify. First apply the physical material. So let's take it for this the top part. I can use something like some plastic material I can use something like this or some ABS material also I can use. For the bottom, I will use some fabric material. Maybe some fabric material are there. Fabric or something like carpet material I can use for now. Okay, so these are the material I applied. But these, if you want to apply some physical, means appearances, some material was there, but color you want to define. So here we have some more option. Go to the appearances and let's say here you can define, okay, I want the top one will be look something like this. Okay, it should have some wooden shade, but the material will be plastic. The appearance only show the kind of some color to those things. Here we have some fabric option. I think black fabric will more suitable. Now you can just zoom more so you can see that it show the some fabric appearances is given to me. Okay, now just close this after applying. And this is a very good way by if you choose two as a different component. Okay, so that will be work like this. So here you have the body ones. You can just convert into the create component and so it will be component number 1. You can also double click and rename that like this will be my duster top and the second one will be my duster fabric. Okay, now so this is we have a example of a very simple object but very useful object. You can try it from your own. We will move to the next video in the next session. Thank you very much.